In this CoreXBiz tutorial, you will learn how to add an invoice in Sales POS. How to add an invoice in CoreXBiz. Open the Sales dashboard. This is your POS desk for orders and customers. CoreXBiz adds a seamless POS and sales management layer on top of WooCommerce for in-person and direct sales. From here, you can search orders and search customers without leaving the desk. Click New Order to open a blank invoice. Managers can work inside WordPress admin, while team members use a dedicated standalone SPA with role-appropriate access. At the top, set invoice stage, payment status, production status, fulfillment method, and handoff status as the job moves forward. Invoice date, due date, terms, invoice number, and PO number live here. We will add POHX 88489 for this customer. Invoices in CoreXBiz stay connected to your WooCommerce store and customer data. You can add a new client or search an existing one. We will select Jordan Blake. Every new order connects customer, product, pricing, production, and fulfillment data in one continuous workflow. Add a line. Search the catalog for a product, then click it in the drop-down to fill price. We will select Shirt. CoreXBiz's reactive interface updates information instantly without page reloads, helping teams work faster and with fewer errors. Add a second line for setup fee, rush-proof review. The summary card on the right is a live receipt view, customer, totals, and balance as you build the invoice. Click Save Invoice to store the order without emailing it yet. For payment, record cash taken offline in store, process a live card charge when a gateway is connected, or send the invoice so the customer pays online. The invoice is saved and ready for the next step. Download PDF, builds the file on your own server. Nothing is sent to an outside service to generate it. Choose Save and Send or Update and Send to open the email compose view. Review the invoice email, then click Send to deliver it to the customer. When sending is finished, close the compose view and return to the sales desk. That is how you add an invoice from Sales POS in CoreXBiz. For the complete written guide, visit docs.corexbiz.com.